Women's health in Washington is at risk.
A vital program to expand reproductive health care in our region is losing more than half of its funding. Our Alexandra Cohen-Yard shares the impact this will have on our local clinics.
This impacts people on an individual level, but it also impacts the entire healthcare system.
When Roe v. Wade was overturned, abortion providers in Washington saw a 23% increase in patients. Here in Spokane, it meant patients coming from all across the country seeking care.
We literally, every week in Spokane, we have patients coming from out of state, and it's been an added burden to our system, and we wanted to make sure that we're available to serve these patients.
From here came the Abortion Access Project, a program designed to address this demand. It funded more staff, security measures to keep clients safe, and helped patients pay for their services. That program is now losing $8.5 million, a budget reduction that Planned Parenthood is calling the largest cut to abortion care in state funding history.
It's incredibly disappointing, especially in a state like Washington, which has prided itself on having really strong policy for access to abortion.
This clinic in Spokane sees up to 100 patients a day who come from all across the country to get help. Planned Parenthood tells me these cuts will force providers to scale back on the services they provide and possibly turn patients away. More than 90% of those patients are getting primary care-related help. That can be anything from a well woman exam to a cancer screening. This funding was pivotal in helping Planned Parenthood continue to provide those services and abortion access. The thought of compromising that is frightening for the organization.
It's a tough cut, really, especially when times are really hard for patients and patients need us more than ever.
For now, Planned Parenthood plans to dig into its reserve to cover this budget loss. But that doesn't last forever, creating a concern for the future. Reporting from Spokane, Alexandra Cohen-Yard, 4 News Now.